Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to log out of your Discord account. First of all, launch open Discord application. You can see over here Discord has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. Right now, I'm logged into my account. So if you want to log out of your account, what you have to do is tap on the U icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, once you do that, you'll be led to your profile interface. Tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now, once you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface of Discord. What you have to do is scroll down to the bottom. Now, over here at bottom, you'll be able to find this option for logout. What you have to do is tap on it. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Are you sure you want to log out? Tap on the option log out that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be logged out of your account. So that is how you log out of Discord account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.